Exomologiste tokirio te agathos alleluia.
Otis ton neona to eleos aftu alleluia.
Nas, hey lovely. Nas, lovely to see. Why do Muslims across the world follow a corrupt Quran?
They don't follow a Quran. You have to show me which Muslims following a Quran.
Yeah, I'll show you. Essentially, the Quran that you read, how many surahs does it have?
114.
Which disagrees with all of the early Qurans that are in existence.
That's not evidence that there were different surahs, but you have different Qurans that may publish different surahs for practical purposes.
But please listen to me.
So just like you had the Gospel
But please
of
listen
John
to me.
being published separate, or the Gospel of Mark.
Lovely. Now we are beginning to speak. Yeah, Gospel of John. So this is the gaslighting that Muslims do. Today-
What does gaslighting mean?
I'll explain. The Bible belongs to 600 years before the time of Quran. The New Testament. And the New Testament was written during a time when the technology to preserve things wasn't available. Point number 2. It was written it was written on
People's memories were
no
available
papyrus. It was written on papyrus, not on
then.
parchment.
Memorization
Number
as
1.
well.
Number 2. Number 3, the New Testament documents were geographically distributed. The Quran is very opposite to this. The Quran was written in a Muslim heartland, number 1. Number 2, it wasn't written over a distributed land. It was written centrally. All of it came from Muhammad to the people who were around
Islam
him.
spread out very quickly.
Sure. But that is
Within the
spread
first
out.
100 years.
But that's spread out.
Just to let you know,
But
I've been trying to speak to him, and he's terrified of me. So whenever you feel...
This brother Amir, he's actually more knowledgeable than me.
Nas, are you familiar with
He has
TikTok?
a
Bounce off to
YouTube.
me.
Are you familiar with TikTok?
The brother's name is Muslim Apologist.
No,
or Amir.
please listen to me. His name, I don't know what name he gives himself. I have tried speaking to him multiple times.
I
And
don't want him to engage with Muslims.
I'm
and
not-
try and get contact
I'm
with
a
them.
lay
He doesn't engage
person,
with people that
so-
actually know the
you're a lay person.
Yeah.
And so are you, one second. Are you, Nas, right now saying TikTok
Yeah, that's it.
influencers are the milkshakes of today? Is that what you're saying?
Milkshake.
No, you're saying he is the more informed. He is.
That someone more informed can discuss with you because you're clearly
Yeah,
scared.
are you?
You can't even look me in the eye.
TikTok has good and
Excuse me,
bad.
my
You
dear
can't even
friend.
look me in the eye. You're scared. You're terrified. Speak with me on the camera.
Excuse me, my dear friend.
I mean, TikTok
Don't-
has good and bad, and this is
This is the bad. This is the bad
good,
part.
the good.
No, this is the bad part. I've tried. You should see the videos we have in Operation Stephen. I don't want to be distracted because he has been too much of a distraction lately.
Too much of
Now, to you,
of faith,
Nas,
not much.
very simply, the question is this: Quran was written in a central place.
See if you want to discuss that.
Central place, written with technology, written. It's hard. It's really sad if a TikTok person is going to influence your decision, Nas. But Quran was written in a central place. Quran was written on technology which was parchment, which is supposed to survive for centuries. Quran was written in an Islamic heartland. So there are multiple reasons for us, and the Quranic history.
Just tell him to engage with me.
I absolutely, please don't disturb. We're in the middle of a conversation. I don't know if you know. Now to you.
So carry on, arrows. Go.
Yeah. So Quran number 4, essentially, long story short, even the Quranic early supposed claims on the history, claims that they were written and edited and so on. The question is very simple. We have every reason, therefore, to find whatever was the complete Quran from the time of the Islamic Caliphate, such as Rashidun Caliphate and so on. We have every reason to expect this. And we do find. What do we find? The first Quran we have has only less than 2 surahs. That's the first Quran. That's the original Quran. Birmingham manuscript. Less than 2 surahs. The next many Qurans that we have also have only few surahs. You can see that. The bar chart.
Just manuscripts.
Say again.
So just like before the Codex Sinaiticus, you have parchments of the New Testament.
But don't go to the Bible. I've explained to you. The New Testament has a very different history.
Don't engage with him at all.
The New Testament has a very different history. Very different
We want
history.
to expose him essentially. Because he can't engage
You are
with
coming to my personal space again. That's fine. I'll move a little bit. But don't come into my personal space again. Please don't come into my personal space again. You clearly,
Brother,
you
stop
see why I'm
doing
saying what
such
I'm saying.
arguments.
Look at him.
Debate
Look at his hand.
substance.
Look at where his hand is
What's wrong
coming.
with the
Don't. You know what is wrong with your hand?
Debate the
There is such a thing called personal space, and you're disturbing. Now
Hello,
to you,
why are you
Nas.
so frightened, mister? Why are you so frightened? Why do you try to catch women?
Look at these clowns.
No, I'm asking.
Look
you.
at these clowns.
Sir, excuse me, please stop.
Look at him, look at
Please
him.
Stop. I say, come here, please.
Look
come.
at. Oh,
He
whoa.
was created-
Please move, please move, please move, please
No,
move.
no.
Don't come into my personal space. Unbelievable. He is coming into my personal space.
It's not just space. It's Speaker's Corner.
Hey, shut up.
Look, says the terrorist. Look at him. All these terrorists show up here at Speaker's Corner, and Lord, let us have proper conversations. It's a very simple environment. We're dealing with a simple question. Nas is a veteran in
He's
Speaker's
scared,
Corner.
he's scared. Shame on you.
Unlike this jihadi gentleman,
Arul, you want to discuss the role?
Stupid man.
look at him. Should I take him seriously and engage in a conversation? Of course I
Why
would not.
don't you debate him? Why
Not
don't
to
you debate
you.
him? If you have guts, why don't you debate him? I challenge you. I challenge you, Mr. Arun.
Look at him.
I challenge you.
He calls me stupid and expects me to listen to
Why
him.
don't you debate with him?
Please.
No, I'm asking,
Nas
why
to
don't you
you.
debate? Why don't you debate with him?
This is
Come
what
on,
has
debate
happened.
with him, man.
This is what has happened. This is what has happened. Look at the angry man.
Why did you
Look at the jihadi here.
Why are you
Angry,
targeting women? Why are
angry,
you targeting women?
angry.
I'm asking, why were you targeting women today? Did you
All right.
target young girls?
How many?
Why did you not target women? Why did you target women today? I'm asking you.
We live in the UK.
Why did you target women, innocent girls? Why?
We live in the UK.
You are running away from real men. Why? Why are you targeting women? I'm asking. Will you
No, I'm not targeting him.
No,
Am I targeting him?
I can show you. You are targeting.
He's saying I'm targeting him.
Yes, come.
Am I targeting him? Hey, Nas, please don't. Please don't. Look. I didn't realize. I didn't. All right, TikTok clowns. Okay. Now, Lou break that way. Lou break that way. Now, all right. Dear friends,
Dear friends, now.
thank you.
Now I'm shivering in my pants.
All right.
Dear friends, I'm shivering in my pants now. I'm going to urinate now.
Look at this clown. All right. If there is any Muslim who is worth his salt,
There's plenty. Are you blind? Just look around. Look behind you. Look
Right there.
the question I am going to ask is very simple. TikTok comedians not welcome. Don't wave your hand above me.
You don't want to debate me, right?
Listen to me carefully.
Just
Wave, everybody wave.
If there is any older gentleman who lives a life outside of TikTok, let this TikTok clown know I am not interested in his hand waving above my head. Ask him to stay away. Thank you. Look at this TikTok clown gang. Look at the clown gang here. Is there any adult here? Any adult? Any adult? Anyone else who is capable? You say you didn't want to speak earlier. Maybe you may want to step forward. Please. Would you like to step forward? Anyone else? Anyone else? The jihadi mafia gang is here. And he encroaches into my personal space multiple times. I don't know what he does outside of his TikTok.
I can be loud too.
Thank you.
Arul is going around
All right.
discussing
Now-
preservation, and he doesn't want to discuss it with a Muslim because he knows you'll get decimated. Arul, discuss with me on Quran preservation now, otherwise declare yourself as terrible.
Thank you.
Horrible. Discuss with me.
Thank you. Now, for those adults who are not into acting, you're most welcome to engage with me. Adults only.
Am I allowed? Am I allowed to engage with you?
You, I have a very bad I shouldn't even speak to you. The question to you, my dear friends, is very simple. What is the evidence you have that the earliest of Qurans
I got
had 114 surahs?
I got you.
Simple.
Very good.
What
question.
is the evidence you have?
Very good question.
Very simple question.
I'm gonna engage with you. The question is, what is
Not
the
interested. If you
evidence?
please keep moving, thank you. Not interested. Please keep moving. Thank you.
Guys,
What adult is here who can walk in
That's it.
and give me evidence
Arguments.
for the 114 Surah Quran?
The only
Anyone?
the only thing we wanted to do is stop doing bad arguments.
Anyone? Any?
You're inviting
You-
people.
Look, listen to
debate
me. Listen to me
Debate
carefully.
then.
Listen to me
Why
carefully.
you not debating me on it?
I mentioned multiple times you are a TikTok clown
No,
who
no,
does
we can-
not
we can
know
debate.
who does not know how to maintain personal space, who has been encroaching in, who has been using terms such as decapitation and so on, and that is where I'm terrified of people who are like you.
Look, I'm gonna
Absolutely.
leave now. If I see this cousin with a Muslim,
Thank
I'm
you.
gonna come.
You
I'm gonna make sure
you
we
are
don't
a
debate
criminal.
them.
Can you see? What he
Don't
is
debate
saying,
Muslims
what he
on
is
this topic.
agreeing on camera is that he in fact is a jihadi terrorist whose main profession is harassment. That's what he is acknowledging in front of camera. What is he saying? He is saying, if I speak to someone else, he will come back again.
Running live, guys.
Thank you.
In 4K.
Thank you very much. Yeah, TikTok. Thank you very
Say hi to
much.
TikTok.
Not interested in your TikTok. Thank you.
Say hi.
As long as you don't come into my personal space, I am glad. These TikTok clowns, the lunacy has become terrible. Thank you. All terrorists now, if you can take 2 steps back, all Islamic jihadis, I encourage you to take 2 steps back, turn around, march forward,
Brother, debate.
which would ultimately be away from me.
What did he say?
Thank you. Thank you. You're still in my personal space. Look at him. He would not leave my personal space. I am even moving as best as I can. Would not leave my personal space. Would not leave my personal. Look at him. I need my personal space, without which please move. I'm asking you, TikTok clown, please. Thank you. Don't come into my personal space again. Thank you very much. Thank you. Is there any Muslim who is able to give evidence for a 114 Surah Quran?
Debate me.
Anyone mentally sane?
Brother, I'm a Muslim. I'm a TikToker.
Anyone mentally sane who is able to step forward to give evidence? Anyone? Clearly none.
So leave, please. Leave now. And stop doing the arguments. The terrible
You're
arguments.
coming to my personal space again. Can you see? Clearly, you don't know what it means to maintain personal space.
Why did you bad arguments?
Look, I can see
know they're
your
bad.
funny behavior. You don't know what it means to have personal space. You've come into my personal space again. You come into my personal space again. You are moving to my personal space. He is the one who came into me. My dear
Stop.
Muslim mafia gang member, he is the one who came to me. Look at him. Look at him. Look at him. Look at him. I'm asking him not come into my personal space. He was elsewhere. He has come into my personal space. I'm asking him to stay away from my personal space. I'm going to ask you one listen to me. I'm going to ask one last time. Thank you. I'm going to ask you one last time to stay away from my personal space.
I'm away from you.
In your deluded mind, there are multiple instances in which you have come in.
Brother, you're meant
I have been standing here. This jihadi, that jihadi, you jihadis are the ones who have come here. You are the ones who have come here. You are the ones who are touching me. You are the ones who are touching me. And I invite you not to encroach into a personal space of someone. Step back. Step back. Step back. Step back. All TikTok junior jihadis, step back.
Step back.
Is this clear to you? All junior TikTok jihadis, step back. Very simple. Step back. Thank you. Now, if I see you again come into my personal space, I have to defend myself, my dear friend. Anyone who comes into my personal space, you could be laughing today, you might lose your life by getting into prison and having a criminal record, which I'm assuming you wouldn't want to have.
Let's go.
I don't want to destroy your life You are TikTok clowns, I completely understand. But if I can give you an advice, don't gain a criminal record. Stay back. Stay back. Thank you. Stay back.
Brother,
Stay back. Not interested. Stay back.
You gonna engage now or no?
Stay back. Not interested. You have encroached into my personal space multiple times.
touching you.
I don't want to. It's not about touching. It's about encroaching into my personal space. There is such a thing called personal
Here we have
space.
Arul running.
Thank you. I told you he's a TikTok clown. He doesn't know the word run. I am standing here. Here are the only ones.
Hey, you want 10 man?
Thank you. Desperation. Just because TikTok clowns are desperate, I can't lower my standard
You wanna
and engage
debate
with
or no?
TikTok junior jihadists. I completely understand. I completely understand. I completely understand
terrified.
that the Quran requires all of you to be jihadis. I completely understand. And therefore, I am prepared to engage with jihadis. All that I'm asking is at the least, not the junior jihadis. Send me the senior ones. That is the minimum I'm asking. Of course, in the UK,
Discuss with me. You want to discuss with the ladies, with the women?
no, not interested. Not interested. Junior jihadi can stay away. Thank you.
Say what, go on, bro. Hey, say what, go on. Let's go. Let's debate.
Not interested. Hey, look at him again. Thank you.
Peaceful.
No, thank you. Thank you very much.
Debate.
You want me to take them seriously? Look at the TikTok clowns. You want me to take this seriously? Is this why I show up at Speaker's Corner? Yeah. Look at these fellows.
Brother.
Worse than 5-year-olds. My child would behave much better than these fellows.
Yeah, but he said multiple times he's not going to.
He's running, just say you're running.
Because he goes up to other Muslims.
No,
and
more
tries to
importantly-
debate them when he knows they don't know the stuff.
More importantly, wait, no, can you see his hand again?
Not me.
Can you see his hand again?
Because he knows who get.
I'll tell you why. Look at him.
Walk away.
Wait, why is he not talking to me? Why?
He doesn't want to.
Why? What was the reason?
You don't need a reason. Just
No,
walk away, brother.
we do need a reason because
we-
if he's gonna go to other Muslims and do the same thing, he must be willing to debate it.
All right. I have in everybody's hearing.
No.
Clearly, TikTok clowns have hearing issues. Why do I not engage with this TikTok clown?
To nobody. If an argument is good,
Why do I not engage with this junior jihadi TikTok clown? Because he does not know what it means not to encroach into someone else's personal space. And he brings his fellow TikTok junior jihadis. Look at the people behind me.
declare you without equivocation.
And so not interested. Thank you very much.
Debate.
Listen to him as well.
Arul, you're scared, clearly. That's fine. But make sure if an argument is bad, don't promote it. Don't go around giving bad arguments when they know they're bad. Because you know I'm gonna crush you and then you're gonna look sad.
Look at your hand. See where your hand is coming.
I'm not touching you, dude.
It's not a matter of touching. In the UK, learn at least. What did I do?
Your hand's going to him now.
You know why? You know why? He has come into my personal space. So where my hand is, that is exactly the TikTok clowns. You know what has happened right now? You have come into my personal space. That's my problem. When I can't even lift my hand without coming close to you. That is my problem. TikTok clowns clearly have got your brains messed up.
Arul, you wanna debate?
So
or no?
please give my space.
You wanna debate
That
or no?
is what I've been requesting you.
Debate. You wanna debate or no? Quickly. Let me know. Why are you scared? Do you wanna debate or no, Arul? Let me know. Yes or no? In front of everyone. You wanna debate me or no, Arul?
Look at him. Come back again. Look at him.
No caste system in India.
You wanna discuss or no? Stop wasting my time. Do you wanna discuss or no, Arul?
Why are you scared? Your caste system
Look at him.
India.
He's in a state of shock. He's frozen. Look at him.
All right. To every adult Muslim who is already not criminal, like this TikTok fellow who's standing next to me,
Stop being a coward.
Brother, stop giving bad arguments.
Don't come into my personal space. Your hand is getting too close to me.
Don't give bad arguments against
I have been standing here for a long time. You came near me. Don't bring your hand near me again.
Rise what?
Don't bring your hand near me again.
Exactly. That's why I'm upset with him. Don't go around to Muslims when an argument is bad.
Don't bring your hand near me again.
He can do what he likes, stop playing victim.
Amir, because he believes in the caste system of India.
Exactly.
That's why he said,
Exactly.
no touch me, no touch me. No touch this. This is in England. Stop using the caste system.
Man.
We are equal
So
here.
let me ask you a question now. How many girls?
Don't bring your hand near me.
How many
Is this
girls does
clear
the
to
cross
you?
rule?
Is this clear to
Don't
you?
touch it, stop playing victim.
Don't bring your hand near me.
Reality, playing victim.
Learn from your senior jihadi who is hiding from behind the camera. Learn from him. Keep distance.
Quality, bro.
Debate, you criminal. You
All jihadis, you've harassed me already.
embarrass
Stay away. Thank you.
yourself. It's embarrassment for you. It's disgusting.
Arul, walk
Thank
away.
you.
Walk away. You're too embarrassing.
Thank you. If you stay away, you're putting me under false arrest right now, which is criminal. You have constrained my movement by coming into my personal space. I am harassed. I am harassed. I am harassed.
Guys, I think he's harassed.
And I am deeply wary.
You're a chicken without wings.
You have come into my personal space
Stop debating the Quran.
and you are harassing me right now.
Hey, declare him.
You have the entire mafia gang standing behind me also. If I could ask you all to stay away, that would be lovely. Please. I require. Yeah, that's.
Stop debating Islam, brother.
Stay
You're terrible.
away.
Terrible.
You can leave.
Stay away.
Leave.
No one's stopping you.
Leave, Arul. Go. Take
Stay away.
your cameras and go. Look.
Stay away.
Your crew gave up already.
Stay away.
Your crew, look. Your man.
Stay away.
You can leave.
His man is even watching. Look.
All right. Do you see where you're standing? Do you see where you're standing? Do you see where you're standing? You see where you're standing?
Hey, no way.
Yourself included, sir. Yourself included.
Arul.
Thank you. Thank you. Right. All right. Now, sure. We'll move away because the TikTok clowns' retarded brains aren't working. So maybe I'll move away there. I'll stay there.
Say hi to the camera.
I'll stay there. Say again. Yeah, I'll stand. So
Exactly what happened.
if I can find some space, if the Muslim mafia can move away, Muslim mafia, if you can move away. If the Muslim mafia can stay, look at that. Please cover this Muslim mafia who are not allowing me to move. Look at this Muslim mafia. If you can please make space for me. If you can please make space for me. Please make space for me. Thank you. If the Muslim mafia can please make space for me. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you. So, this is the problem with the Muslim mafia. They don't even know. All right. So now that we have escaped from the Muslim mafia,
They say you're running, so what happens? So give context.
well, TikTok clowns, I'm sure they are desperate. My dear friends, I'm sure the Muslim mafia are desperate. I can see that. I can sense that in multiple different ways.
Just for context, I don't know why you didn't want to debate this guy. Just for context, why?
Very simply, the TikTok clown, I think, is not worthy of debate for multiple reasons. Number one, he can't engage in a reasonable debate. And therefore, I want to stay away from him. But as I intended to stay away from him, what I see from him is criminality. Encroaching into my personal space, being unwilling to listen to my requests, despite me repeating that multiple times. Just give me my personal space. Say again. Because these are criminals. And I am deeply wary of their tactics. Their tactics is intimidation to surround. I don't know how many pounds he paid the junior jihadis who followed behind him, but clearly they have been paid and brought here. God knows, 2 pounds, 1 pound, don't know. But the mafia gang, their tactic is to surround. Now I completely understand that the question I've asked, the challenges I have raised against the Quran are really challenges which will make Muslims leave Islam. I completely understand. So I completely understand that jihadis such as him would be desperate to get rid of my challenges. Unfortunately, for the junior jihadis and the senior ones, they don't know how the UK operates. In the UK, we intellectually disarm ideologies which are nasty. How do we do this? We do this intellectually, not by criminal intimidation, but through intellectual argumentation. And that is what I try to do with the Muslims. So if there are any Muslims who want to engage in an intellectual conversation, you're most welcome to engage with me on any given day.